Hi, I'm Sheree with Weaver and Associates. Today I wanted to discuss the difference between replacement cost and market value of your home. A lot of people incorrectly think that their home should be insured for the amount of money they bought it for, or for what shows up when you check real estate websites like Zillow. The error is this: insurance policies don't factor in the cost of land. You might pay $3 million for an older 1,500 square foot oceanfront home in Malibu, but the insurance policy limit is only $500,000 because that's all it costs to rebuild it. Our job as insurance brokers is to determine the appropriate amount of coverage you need. We utilize a software program to determine replacement cost and factor in square footage, roof type, flooring, number of bathrooms, and the quality of construction. The insurance coverage for the replacement of your home is referred to as dwelling coverage A on your homeowner's insurance policy. We recommend reviewing your dwelling coverage annually to make sure that it's still adequate and has been adjusted for any property updates or increased construction costs. If you are a Weaver and Associates policyholder, we reach out to you annually to ensure that your limits are still adequate. Our office provides home, auto, business, and health. We would love to assist with any of your insurance needs. Thank you.